Well, many people are now looking at ways to keep their money clean, but in the most extreme way. Our 18 News reporter Tai Wong joining us now live from our satellite center tonight with more on that story. Tai, what can you tell us?
Yeah, Zach, money continues to circulate from person to person every day. And with the coronavirus around, well, what is actually getting stuck to that dollar bill in your wallet? Well, people are now looking at some extreme measures to clean their money. One individual even placing their money inside a microwave to kill off the bacteria, nearly setting their home on fire. And now money is not the only thing that's being placed inside a microwave to clean things, face masks as well. Now the fire chief here in Elmira tells me not to do that, just wash it with water and soap and let it dry. Now many people, they forget that within their face mask there's a metal bar to bend that wraps perfectly around your nose. Now when you put this metal bar inside the microwave, well, it's just going to end in disaster. Now a tip that the chief does tell me is to just leave it and let it breathe, and through time the bacteria and viruses will die off on any surface, and that's according to the CDC. As for now, reporting live in the satellite center, Tai Wong, 18 News.